Hi, I'm Dare.
I'm Jessica, and we're the Crusades.
We spent the last 4 years traveling around the world.
When we came back to the U.S., we renovated a 21-foot travel trailer.
We've been living full-time in it with our dog Missoula and cat Tulsa ever since.
We're always up for an adventure. Let's see where this one takes us. Alright, so we made it to MDI, and we have not as impressive of a Boondocker's Welcome site this time around. Let me just show you it real quick because we're getting the hell out of here, and you'll see why. Parked directly behind our trailer is a lovely fire truck. Then across the street is some construction vehicles, and then right over here is also a very busy road that's very noisy. And welcome to the storage unit. Yep, that's right, it's a storage unit with a trash can right here. Storage here. You can see why we're leaving. Peace. Alright guys, take 2. We just moved from that site that we were just at, that we won't talk about, to our new site. If you didn't know and you're wondering what are we even doing in Maine, we are working here for the summer. We are going to be camp host. We are here. We get to be here a little bit early, get to be parked for quite some time now while we train and until they move us to our next spot. So let's show you this one because it's way better, so much nicer. Down there is the water, and we were told if we take a walk we might be able to see some seals. That's exciting. So this evening I have a photo shoot that I'm very excited about at Acadia National Park. So we are actually doing a little bit of location scouting for my client, and it also is just an excuse to check out the area ourselves. So let's take you guys along with us. Alright, so as gorgeous of a spot as this is, not exactly the best spot for my photo shoot tonight, so on to the next. Got Dare over here working hard, editing videos. Alright, so last night's photo shoot ended up being awesome. I had a great time with my clients. Here's just a few shots from that shoot. By the way, if you didn't know already, I am a photographer, so please follow me down below on Instagram, and we'll leave a link to my website if you're interested in connecting or just checking out my work. But yeah, so had an awesome time. We ended up going with Sandy Beach last night. It was perfect. The weather was great. However, this morning it is not great. It is incredibly windy. Our trailer is shaking all over the place, and it's supposed to rain. So we may or may not do something, not sure. If we do something, we will of course bring you guys along. That is if I don't forget the camera like I have before. So.
Jeez, Jessica.
So we'll see what happens.
We are in Ellsworth, Maine at Airline Brewing Company, and we're not gonna lie to you. Their beers taste just like they do in England and Scotland. Believe us, we've been there. Cheers, guys.
Good morning. It is another gloomy day, and it's cold. and it snowed a little bit last night. We also ran out of propane yesterday, so that meant no heating with the propane tank. But time to get those tanks off and filled.
Hell yeah.
Not having the heat with the propane wasn't an issue because of our electric heaters. However, not having coffee this morning was. So I think we're gonna go out somewhere and maybe hit up a cafe. We've got to fill these anyway, so let's go get something to eat. Got ourselves some chais with oat milk, and Derek got a dirty chai because he
Is there any?
We also ordered some Sammys, breakfast Sammys, and a breakfast burrito. Yum. And we're back. We've got propane. Life is good.
I got a new ball.
What's this? Whoa! Because that ball we found at the beach that we took home for her, yeah, we lost that. And I'm sure it's somebody else's ball now. Missy! Look at you! You're so happy! That's not how you play with it! Alright, so we haven't been down by the water, right by our campground, so we're taking a little walk to go check it out. Let's go see it. Yeah! Good job, Missoula! Woo! Oh, you gotta get it! You gotta get it!
I don't know, it's kind of cold, guys.
Yeah! Good girl! Can we just talk about how adorable our little trailer is next to this guy? Look how small it is. I feel like you could do like 3 of our trailers. And we don't live in that full time, guys. Call us crazy. Alright, good morning, guys. I hope you have been enjoying this video so far. Sorry if it's a little bit all over the place. We just wanted to show you guys a few of the things we were able to go do so that, you know, you guys can go do it if you're interested in checking out any of those places.
If you're wondering what we're doing in Maine, we actually got jobs as campground hosts for the summer.
Yes. So we'll be earning money over the summer, working here in Maine until about October, and then we'll be on the road again. But while we're here, we want to be able to still document and share our travels around Maine, show you guys things to do. We'll share hikes, you know, restaurants, breweries, anything we can share. We're going to document it, so stay tuned for more.
And if you guys like this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe.
And we'll see you guys next time.